So here we can see I'm going to be wiring a plug. There's an empty plug with an empty wire, and I'm just going to remove the top cap so you can see inside the plug. As we look inside the plug, we see the fuse there and the cable grip. Cable grip's going to have to come undone so I can get the wire in. And there we go, just undoing the cable grip, pop the wire in. There goes the full cable with the 3 wires there. And the earth is in the top. So we screw the earth in the top, we try and make sure it's all covered as best as possible, up into the sleeve. That rubber sleeve is insulating that wire, that copper wire, to stop it from connecting or contacting anything else. Now I'm going to go second, I'm going to pop in the live wire, which is brown. I'm just pulling the fuse out to make things easy. So I'm now going to place the live wire into the fuse connector and do that up. And try and make sure that there's a sheath on the wire so that there's no way of that short circuiting. And I'm going to replace that fuse holder back into the plug, pop the fuse back in across there, you can see there. And finally, I'm going to connect the neutral wire, which is blue, to the neutral part of the plug. Screw that down, again covering the sheath so no short circuit. And then what I now need to do is make sure that the whole cable is tucked away nicely, not going to short, not touching anything, and is in the cable grip securely. So I'll just finish that off. So when it comes to labelling our plug, we can see here we've got the cable double insulated to stop any contact. We've got our cable grip holding our cable in place so it doesn't pull out the smaller wires. We've then got our earth wire, which is green and yellow in colour. We've got our neutral, which is blue in colour. We've also then got our live, which is brown in colour, connected to the fuse. The fuse is there. We've got a 13 amp fuse in here for a plug in the UK. And we've got our cap that covers it all up. Don't forget, 230 volts, 50 hertz.